my viola people. So today we're going to be working on the B flat major exercises. We're starting with exercise 140. With this one, I always like to look first where our half steps are, whether our first and second finger are close together in pattern 2, or if our second and third finger are together in pattern 1. Okay, so let's take a look first where we play. This is measure 4. We've got pattern 2 going on here. Make sure you're in that arrangement. And first we're going to check our intonation. So here's your A. So feel free to rewind that as many times as you need to get in tune. Okay? All right, let's get started with this first exercise. We're going to check it against our D. There it is right there. Okay? Pattern 2. Ready, set, go. As we move over to the D string, we're still starting in the same place, but we're now in pattern 3. 2 and 3 together closely. Ready, go. Over to the D string, same pattern. Ready, go. The C string, we're changing up the pattern here. We're going into pattern 3, which has third finger and fourth finger close together. And there's exercise 140. Exercise 141, here's our B flat major scale. We're going to be going up to a couple of new positions here. So before we start, I'd like to go over the names of the notes for measure 2. This is the first exercise we've seen even this year of having treble clef, okay? So what you need to know about treble clef is basically that everything is shifted one note from alto clef. So if you imagine your middle line in alto clef is C, okay? Well, you just move that to the space above the middle line. That's C on the violin. Of course, it's an octave higher, but you can still read the notes that way. Okay, so starting in measure 2, we're with our B flat. I'm gonna check that right here. There's our B flat third finger. So we're going to say the names of the notes together. Ready? B flat, C, next string over, first finger, D, E flat, make sure that's a half step relationship there. And then we move up, F, G, A, B flat. Again, half step relationship between the A and the B flat. Okay? Okay, let's do that again. Starting with the B flat down here. B, C, D, E, G, F, G, A, beef, beef. Okay, that's our fourth finger there. That's what my fingers are looking at like as I'm playing those notes. Half step relationship here, whole step relationship here. All right, let's play this through. Starting at the beginning. 1, 2, ready. guys, so that is the B flat major scale. Looking at the arpeggio, we're just going to be doing a couple of second finger notes and open string notes, but we should be practicing this with fourth finger. Okay? So saying the names of the notes from the beginning. Here we go. Beef, D, F, beef, D, F, beef, beef, F, D, beef, F, D, beef. Okay? So there are the notes in our arpeggio. Beef, D, F. Beef, D, F, B, D, F. Boys do fine. Alright, let's play it together. So that is the B flat major arpeggio. Alright, so as we're approaching the notes in thirds and B flat major, I kind of wanted to just map out what's going on the A string. So we're going to start right there with that B flat that's on the A. We're going to shift on second finger. Now you may notice that this is the same note as we had previously, third finger. Okay, that's a D. That way you know you're in tune. Then you shift again on 2. Make sure this 4 and 3 are together. 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, shift. 3, 1, 2, shift. And then we can go on to the rest of that, okay? Alright, let's now play through thirds and B flat minor, major. 1 and 2 and ready, set, ready, go. Ready, set, ready, go. So I hope you get a lot of good practice with that. Get comfortable with it and listen closely each time we play. Okay, that's it for now. Bye-bye.